It's a pleasure to be able to talk about this new book with you. It's a book that is really about the life of this woman, Rose Pastor Stokes, but it's also about her very unusual marriage, which is one that I think offers a window onto life in this country a little more than a century ago.
What really stuck with me about this book is how much that time mirrors some of the trends that we see today, only perhaps even more starkly.
Well, it reminds you that all this stuff that we're dealing with today, hostility towards immigrants, white racism, enormous inequalities of wealth, there are dark currents of all of these things that run through American history. You would think after 100 years we would have won some of these battles decisively, but like all good things, you have to keep fighting for them.